All right, hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to the channel. If you find this information useful, go ahead, do me a favor, and go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Today, I'm going to be showing you a simple trading strategy that only uses two indicators that you can use using the free version of TradingView. And I will also be showing you how to use the free screener on TradingView to try to find the setups for this, and also at the end of the video, I will show you how to set an alert so you don't have to ever think about it, and it will alert you when the trade is getting close to where you can take a better look. So let's cut to it. We're here on TradingView, and we've got normal candles here. The first thing you want to go do is up here on candles, and we're going to go into Heikin-Ashi. We're going to change them into these Heikin-Ashi candles, which are basically averages. And it gives a nice smooth appearance. And then the other indicator that we're going to use, we're going to go into indicators and we'll type in EMA. And this moving average exponential, we'll just type on that one, get that one up. And it's got this blue line and it's on 9. We're going to change that. We'll just go to settings and we're going to change that to 20. Also, you can change the style. I like my EMA 20 at yellow, and I like it kind of thick, so I can see it easier. So there we go. We're basically, this is it. We're set up. So basically all you need, if you look here, is you need the average to get above here. You'll put your stop loss here on the one that was still hugging here, so stop loss would be here, and you put in your buy here. If we put in a buy here, this is an average, so this isn't perfect, and then once you hit the first red, you just get out. And you can do that time and time again, as you see as it goes above the yellow. You might have lost here, but if you would have seen the red and came back, you would have still got out in time. And of course, here is the classic case here. There's a pullback, a red candle. This is a definite buy. If you get on Heikin-Ashi, if you have a green, green, red, and you're above the EMA 20, and this first candle, this is a definite buy. And then this wick hits here and goes back. This is an awesome find if you would have found this trade, and you would have made a nice 4%. So how do we even find this after you've kind of got it down? You're going to go back to TradingView on the opening page here, and then in products you can go to screeners, and we'll just go to stocks, and then we're going to go right over here to this little plus sign. We'll type in EMA, click that. We're going to click 20 and click add filter, but we're not done there because we want the when above price 0 to 10%. And then we want to also change that. We'll go to manual setup and we'll go to 0 to 3% just so it's closer. And let's see if it does it. Sometimes TradingView lets me down. Let's go to full chart here and see what we got here. Yeah, so there we go. It's just, so this is good. This would be something you would look. We got Walmart here, and then to make it a little bit bigger for you, I would, set an alert, and maybe, this probably, you just play off this yellow line, so you want to be above it. And you would just set an alert here, and then just click on add alert on Walmart at 9302. You would just click that, and then it will just alert you to your email or whatever you got set up. So you don't have to be looking at this all day. It'll alert you. You can come back and look at it and go, oh, it's above, take a couple looks at this over the days and put in a trade so you're not looking at. So, a nice easy strategy here in Walmart. Oh, this is a This is a beautiful one. If you would have, whoa, maybe looking at this one a little bit more. It's December. I need some extra money for Christmas. Oh, yeah, this is beautiful right here. You would have made a lot with this strategy. But this is all for educational purposes. Of course, do your own due diligence and paper trade any information you find on the internet or any information you find from me. Make sure you paper trade it just to make sure, you get all the bugs worked out. And if it's a, if it's a strategy that you like and you want to go with. So we are all done here. I like to keep it short and sweet. So I hope if any of this information was valuable, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Other than that, I will see you on the next video, and you have yourself a great day.